This video is about how to write an equation from a graph when the line is going in a negative slope. I've seen a lot of students have issues with this, so this is why I'm making this video, just for a little bit more extra practice, so you can see it and make sure you know what direction the line is going. So, like always, I'm going to start with writing my equation, y equals mx plus b, and the m is the slope. So I'm going to write slope is equal to rise divided by run. So I always want to write that just so I can remind myself what I'm looking for. I'm always looking for rise divided by run. So the first thing you want to do is find 2 points on this graph, on this line, that cross nicely at intersection points. So like here is a good spot. I'm going to put my dot there just so I can remind myself that's 1 point. And then scanning up and down this line, here's one here, and here, and here. I'm going to go here just for fun, just so I can show you how to do this. So my rise, I do this like I read a book again. I go left to right. So I see this dot is going to that dot. So the first thing I want to do is the rise, and that's up and down. So I need to know how far up or down we go from this dot to my second dot. So my line is going to be going down. And that goes down 3. Notice I put an arrow on my line so I know what direction it's going, and I label it with -3, not just 3. So my rise was -3. And my run, I'm going to start at the end of my arrow, because that's how I trace downwards. And I ended right here. So now my run is going this direction. Sorry for the crooked line. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. So my run was +6 or +6. So my run down here, my horizontal movement, my change in x is +6. So my slope is -3 divided by 6. You could go 1/2 or -1/2, or you can go -0.5. That's what I'm going to do in this case. I'm going to go -0.5. So it's a decimal, and that's okay. My slope in this case is -0.5. So what that means is every time I move over 1, it goes down 0.5. Move over 1, it goes down 0.5. Move over 1, it goes down 0.5. And all the way down the line. That's what that means. My slope is -0.5. So the next thing we need is the y-intercept, which is b in our equation. And once again, it's where it crosses the y-axis. So here's the y-axis, and we're looking along our line, and we stop where it ends at the y-axis. Oh, there's the y-axis right there. That is the y-intercept of +2. So my y-intercept for this line is 2. So now to write my equation, I always have y equals mx plus b. The y and the x will stay there, always stay there. So my slope was -0.5, so I'm going to put -0.5 as my coefficient of x. That's where m was. And then my +2 was here where b was. So my equation for this line, y equals -0.5x plus 2. To show me that you've watched this video, I think this will be fun. If you walk up to me in the hall and say, "Up top, Mr. Reese," and then give me a high five. And that'll be my cue that you watched this video, and that will make my day, and I'll probably forget what you're doing, and then it will make you laugh because I'm totally forgetting why I told you to give me a high five. So, I'll see you guys later.